Would you like 3 marks for free on your GCSE maths? Yes, here we go. How do you convert kilometers per hour into a speed in meters per second? Does anyone find this annoying? Does anyone find this kind of thing annoying? Well, let me introduce you to the yellow conv. It stands for conversions, and we're about to do it on our calculators. 750, so we stick it in, 750, and we want to convert this. Okay, so we want to hit that yellow conv, so we're gonna hit shift, we're gonna hit 8, we are convert. Now you have to tell the calculator, is it a length, an area, a volume, or a mass? It's actually none of those things. It's like a speed. So we're going to hit down and we're going to see velocity here. Now, velocity basically means speed. Okay. So it's a velocity. So we're going to hit 1. And these are all the ones that it does. Okay. So it only does kilometers per hour to meters per second, or meters per second to kilometers per hour. This is kilometers per hour to meters per second. So it's number 1. So what you do is you hit number 1, you hit equals. There we go. We hit S to D just to turn it into a decimal. And there we go. That's the final answer. Now, just to remind you guys, when it comes to calculator hacks, you do not just write the answer and move on. You have to show your workings here. Okay, they also say give it correct to the nearest whole number. So what I would do here, I would actually write like equals 208.333 dot dot dot, and then my final answer is going to be 208. I would actually come in here and write the answer in the answer box. Then I know that is the answer, and now I've got to go and make it look like I did some work. Okay, now I got to go show the examiner that I did some work. But now you know, you start with this number and just do some stuff to it until 208 pops out. I'm not going to go deep into conversions here; it will take too long. But essentially, my method for doing conversions is this: you start with a number. You work out what is the conversion, like how many of one thing are in another. And this is kilometers and this is meters. So how many of them in that? You guys have got this. So 1,000. So what you're doing is timesing or dividing by 1,000. And then to go from hours to seconds, you need to know how many hours or seconds are in each other, if you see what I mean. Now it's 3,600. Okay, this is worth knowing. But if you didn't know, you could just do 60 times 60 because it's 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. 60 times 60 is 3,600. So you're then timesing or dividing by 3,600, and like just do whichever one gives you 208.